Hello everyone! Last time, we made a blue sampling needle, but the tip and so today, I'm going to try making it using a different method. This time, we'll be using a feature called Boolean. The Boolean feature allows you to cut away areas where two objects overlap. Before that, first, we'll remove the bottom part of the needle. Select the entire bottom, just like in the video, and delete it. Now, we have a hole there. Next, we'll use a Boolean feature from the modifiers. This time, let's prepare tip and align it with the tip of the needle we want to cut. It cut much cleaner than last time. On top of this, we'll add the shrinkify feature. This gives thickness to the needle. That's why we needed to make a hole in the bottom part to give it thickness. It's still a tiny bit of jargon, but it's definitely better than before. Let's cut it down for now. And next, I direct input this into your key. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.